Hello everyone, my name is Jared Lara and I'm going to be showing you today how to create a login and sign up system using Goom so that you don't need to create any backend code to build an authentication system. We're going to be creating a fictitious site. The one I'm going to create today is called Doggo Pooper Eliminator. And we're going to be creating these widgets here that you can click on to log in. And when you log in, just log in here, you would see an account page. And you can see here we're also going to be able to put in some basic role-based decisioning so that if you are logged in, you get different tabs here. So if I go back home, you can see my little icon here. And log out, you're logged out, and I'll go back to sign up and log in. I'm also going to show you how to create a custom sign-up page where you can add as many fields as you want. And this will be a beginning of a series of workshops we're going to be doing that will help you understand how to better use Goom to build web applications, leveraging the Goom's API system. So let's get started. So if you tried to create a login system, you've never done one before, you might go to W3 Schools and see this form. Or you might Google something else and see another tutorial. But they all have one thing in common. They all use some sort of backend that you would also have to create. And a lot of students would get frustrated and would stop at this point, especially if you're trying to do a hackathon and you want to really focus on building a web application that shows a concept. You might not have the time to do the backend. So with Goom, you can actually build a working login system with no backend code. And that is really what I really want to show to you guys today.